Hello my friends, I'm Yanis. Today we will create miter saw station, very permanent, to pre-cut lumber that we can start do framing works. We can use only circular saw for pre-cutting lumber for the frame and studs. The same we can use only chainsaw. It also will work and all cuts will be great. I would like to create miter saw station just to give speed. I will be able to pre-cut all lumber like for one floor in one day easily. I have some lumber and it can be the best to use normal dimension and size lumber to create miter saw station. It will be the fastest way. I probably will use some kind of offcuts and waste wood, at least in the studs and somewhere else, as much as possible. If you are carpenter, it's quite common. You always already can see the level. Middle table here we need to make lower. We need for the moment that kind of guide line, just for the moment. Nice. And now it will be much easier because our miter saw should stand here. We can use some clamps and now we can clamp this miter saw here and after build table under. It will be good if you have some helper at this stage. Maybe I also need some help. We can add small blocks here, under, just by side. And small extra support like that. It will be deadly strong. piece of art. We need to add some board here in the back. We are not going to produce furniture. There is place where to make some small adjustments. You always need to decide what kind of precision you need. You always can add stop block. Thank you very much, my friends, for your attention. We have miter saw. We can start pre-cut lumber and finally do framing works. I'm waiting so much this. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.